Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your email on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. If you're wondering how to see email address connected to your Discord account, then you're in the right place. So I'm going to show you the exact steps to find your Discord email quickly and easily. There are many reasons why you might need to check your Discord email. Maybe you forgotten which email you used to sign up, you're trying to secure your account, or you need it for password recovery and account verification. Whatever the reason, this is the tutorial will help you find it in just a few minutes. So first of all, of course, you have to open our Discord. Now from here, you can go to settings. So you can just select on the user settings in the here on the gear icon here. Now you can go to your account. You can select on account. On account info, you'll find there's like your username, email, and also your phone number. To check your email, we can just select in here, reveal. So now you can see your email that connected to your Discord account. It's very simple, right? So you can just hide it again. If you want to see, you want to check your email, you can just reveal. And if you want to edit your email, you can just select on edit. But before that, you have to send the verification code to the email before you edit, before you change your email on your Discord account. And also in here, you can check your phone number that connected with your Discord account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your email on Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.